So hello guys, welcome back to my channel called Wheels Diecast. So today I'm going to unbox this 5 pack. This is the HW City, the Hot Wheels City. Guys, I took this pack because of only one car. That is this small van. I don't know the name. Let me tell the name of the all cars containing in this pack. Guys, these all are the fantasy cars, but they look so good, guys. Actually, so it's the time shifter, surf duty, night shifter, bread box, and drone duty. The first one is the time shift. No, guys, no, I can't do because I know this one is the time shifter because there was a treasure hunt. I have this already, so this is the drone duty. This is the bread box, and the first one is the night shifter. I think so. I don't know, guys, but let's unbox this. So in three, two, one. So guys, I have unboxed it. So you can see this. Oh my god, they look so good, so good. And this, especially this Kuchi. Oh my god, guys, let me show in the close up. So guys, the first car of this pack is this. This is the Surf Duty. It's a 2022 metal. It's a made in Indonesia car, guys. Yes, very nice. It is in a very nice yellow color and nice lifeguard livery. Its wheels are in brown, like the mud wheels, and the rims are in shiny red color, guys. Yeah, it's a very nice car, and it's written HWS here. It means I think so. It's Hot Wheels only. Yes, it's the Hot Wheels, and it is a pickup and something. I don't know what is this. Some surfboards and the shovel. I think so. Those things are there, and inside also few things. I don't know what those things are. There is a siren here because it's a lifeguard, like for emergency car. I think so. It rolls. The wheels are very free rolling, very nice. So now let's go to our another car. So our second car of this pack is this. This is the night shifter, guys. This is a 2015 metal. It's also made in Indonesia, guys. This looks so strong, like the metal. It's looking like if you throw it from an aeroplane, also it will not break. It's looking very strong and it feels very strong also. The paint quality is very nice. It's in a very nice maroon color. The wheels are also very good. I like the style, spikes. It's in a very nice silver rims. Nice silver rims. It's from the police squad. Engine. This is the engine here, I think so, or this is the engine. I don't know. There is a number 5 written here. Its chassis is in blue color. So you can see this. This is the front look side. This is the back. And this is from the other side. This is from the top. So now let's go to another car. So this is the drone duty, guys. Because you can see the person sleeping, not sleeping, like he's driving the car. It has got the golden rims. You can see both are different, like the Lamborghini Super Trofeo. I have one more. It is in the black color. And guys, you know what is special about this car? You can even remove the upper part of this car. Right, very cool. Oh my god. Yes, this is a very nice car, guys. It's one of my favorite fantasy cars. It's from the 2022 model. It is also made in Indonesia, and I love this so much. The car, okay. The car is so good in a very nice light blue color, and yellow. No, it's in the orange color chassis. Because of the light, it's looking in yellow color. So now let's go to another car. So our next car is the time shifter. This had also come in a treasure hunt version, but I did not get it. You can see this, guys. Oh my god, it's in a very nice pizza delivery. It indicates the Domino's because you can see here 30 minutes delivery. Guys, it's so good. Oh my god. It is in green color and the chassis is in the red color. Time shifter. It's a 2017 metal, also made in Indonesia. It has got nice detailings. Obviously, it's a fantasy, so no nice detailings. So it's fine, guys. It's very good. It's a very good car. It's not a car, I think so. It's a truck or van or I don't know. So now let's go to another car. Bye bye, time shifter. Let's shift the time. And guys, finally, my most favorite, the Kuchi, the bread box. Oh my god, this is my favorite. I took this pack only because of this car. or this van or this truck, I don't know. Oh my god, it had also come in a taco livery, but I ignored it because I didn't like that. I actually like that, but I did not like the pack. Leave this, guys. Oh my god, so good, very nice purple color. The rims are in the golden color. It has the frozen treats livery. Very nice ice cream here. 3 ice creams here also. You can see the driver seat. You can see the inside. From backside there are 2 doors. Oh my god, guys, this is my favorite fantasy car. Oh my god, oh my god. It is 2000. Where is it clear? 2009 metal. You can see this. It's also made in Indonesia. It is white, so it's not that clear. You can see here 2009 metal. So guys, so this is the last car of this pack. So if you like this pack, please subscribe to my channel. I'll bring very nice videos like these. So till then, take care and bye bye. Oh no.